AI will not turn a bad rep into a superstar overnight, but it can help an average rep beat a talented rep who is inconsistent. This is not magic, it is leverage. A lot of sales success comes from preparation, follow-up, message quality, and deal discipline. Top reps usually win because they prepare better, ask better questions, follow up better, and manage opportunities more consistently. Average reps often know what to do. They just do not have the system, time, or energy to do it every day. First, AI helps you research faster. Instead of starting from scratch, summarize the company, role, trigger, and likely business problem. Use this prompt. Based on this company and prospect role, give me 3 likely priorities, 3 possible pain points, and 3 relevant outreach angles. Do not make up facts. Second, AI helps you write cleaner first drafts. Not perfect messages, but better starting points. Ask for messages under 100 words, written in plain language, connected to a business problem, and ending with one simple question. Third, AI helps you follow up with structure instead of randomly checking in. Build a ladder: recap, value add, objection reducer, decision prompt, and clean break. Fourth, AI helps you walk into calls with better questions, likely objections, and a sharper agenda. Talent matters, but consistent systems beat scattered talent more often than people think. The rep still has to think. AI does not replace judgment. It gives you more chances to use your judgment where it matters. Average reps can compete when they use AI for research, messaging, follow-up, call prep, and consistency. If you want the prompts to start building that system, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.